Gaming in 2025 demands speed, precision, and the right keyboard to stay ahead. But with so many options, which one truly delivers the best experience? Stay tuned as we break down the top gaming keyboards and reveal the ultimate winner. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Keychron K2 HE. It takes the beloved K2 and supercharges it with Hall-effect magnetic switches, making it a compelling choice for both competitive gaming and productivity. Unlike previous models, this version introduces rapid trigger and last key prioritization, enabling precise movements in FPS games like Counter-Strike and Valorant. The adjustable actuation points allow for multiple inputs within a single keystroke, offering flexibility for both gaming and typing. For productivity, the Gateron double-rail magnetic switches shine, though they lack the tactile feedback of traditional mechanical switches. Adjusting the actuation from 1.6mm to 3.2mm noticeably improves typing speed and accuracy. The only downside is the limited switch options, though that may change over time. At $130, the K2 HE remains hot-swappable, stylish, and a fantastic value, undercutting premium competitors like the NuFi Halo 75 V2 and Low Free Flow 84, while offering superior gaming performance. Number 2. Lemokey X1. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality when shopping for a budget gaming keyboard. At just $36, it delivers performance that rivals more expensive models, making it a standout option. Its tactile brown switches provide a satisfying typing experience, while the 1000 Hz polling rate ensures fast responsiveness for gaming, outpacing other budget options like the Mage G Sky 87. The premium-feeling body adds to its appeal, though the ABS keycaps may wear over time. Customization is easy with Lemokey Launcher, allowing key remapping and macro programming without downloading additional software, unlike Asus Armory Crate. However, it lacks hot-swappable switches, which might deter modders. Number 3. Logitech G515 Lightspeed TKL. This is marketed as a gaming keyboard, but its low-profile mechanical switches and sleek design make it equally suitable for productivity. Its 10-keyless TKL form factor and lightweight build also make it a great travel companion. The smooth matte case and textured keycaps provide a premium typing feel, avoiding the flashy metallic look of some gaming keyboards. While the design may be a bit plain for some, the sound-dampening construction and comfortable key presses make it a joy to use. For RGB fans, the customizable lighting via Logitech's G-Hub offers preset effects and custom profiles that aren't overly flashy, perfect for office use. In fast-paced games like Deadlock, the 1.3mm actuation distance and 1 millisecond response time allow for quick movement and ability execution, making it a top-tier choice for competitive gaming. Number 4. Corsair K65 Plus. This is the brand's first 75% wireless keyboard, offering a compact and versatile alternative to its larger models. It features hot-swappable switches, allowing users to replace the pre-lubed Corsair MLX red linear switches with their preferred options. The sound-dampening design ensures quieter keystrokes, making it ideal for both gaming and productivity. It's fully compatible with Windows, macOS, and even the PS5, with per-key RGB lighting customizable via iCUE software. The PBT-coated keycaps provide a premium feel, and swapping in Holy Panda X tactile switches made typing even better. However, its polycarbonate chassis feels less premium than aluminum, and the rotary dial customization is limited. Still, with hot swap functionality, wireless connectivity, and great performance, the K65 Plus is an excellent compact gaming keyboard. Number 5. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini. It may lack keys due to its 60% design, but it makes up for it with responsive Hall-effect switches. Each key supports dual actuation points, effectively doubling input options. At $179, it's one of the most affordable ways to experience Hall-effect technology. This keyboard features a sturdy aluminum top plate, a high-quality plastic base, and durable double-shot PBT keycaps, ensuring long-lasting performance. Weighing just 1.34 pounds, it's easy to carry. Its 1000 Hz polling rate and 0.7 milliseconds response time make it ideal for fast-paced gaming, with actuation points as low as 0.1 millimeters, perfect for Valorant and other FPS titles. However, its RGB brightness is inconsistent, and the switches aren't ideal for extended typing. Still, with powerful customization and ultra-fast inputs, it's a top-tier mini-gaming keyboard. So, which is the best? The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini takes the crown. With its ultra-fast OmniPoint 2.0 switches, customizable actuation, and compact design, it's the ultimate weapon for any gamer looking for speed and control.